Good morning. Let's start your day with a quick 5-minute stretching routine. Follow along with me step by step. Let's begin with the neck stretch. Gently tilt your head to the right side. Feel the stretch in your neck and shoulders. Hold for 20 seconds and switch to the other side. This helps release stiffness after sleep. Now bring your right arm across your chest and hold it with your left hand. This stretches your shoulders and upper back. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch arms. Next, stand with your feet apart. Raise your right arm overhead and gently bend to the left. Feel the stretch along your side waist. Hold for 20 seconds and switch sides. Now, slowly bend forward and reach towards your toes. Keep your legs straight but relaxed. This stretches your hamstrings and lower back. Breathe deeply as you hold for 30 seconds. Time for the quads. Hold your right foot behind you with your hand, keeping your knees together. You'll feel the stretch in the front of your thigh. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch legs. Now get on all fours for the cat-cow stretch. Inhale and arch your back upwards. Exhale and drop your belly down, lifting your chest. This is amazing for your spine and posture. And finally, sit cross-legged, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Inhale positive energy. Exhale all the stress. You are now ready for the day. Great job. That was your 5-minute morning stretch. Do this daily and feel fresh, strong, and positive all day long.